In this episode, I'll go over a few supplements that you can use to support restorative sleep in your child. So you may have heard of melatonin, and you may already have tried it before. So that's one popular option. Melatonin is the primary sleep-inducing hormone in the body. It gets released when evening comes, when dark comes. Pineal gland releases it. So you can use that. You can get it in these tablets that dissolve in the mouth, under the tongue, for example. That's a popular option. If you buy melatonin, try to get the clean stuff, free from other additives and other active ingredients, especially for children. Another one is 5-HTP, which is an amino acid. It's actually a precursor to melatonin. So the body can use 5-HTP to make serotonin, which can be turned into melatonin by the body. Now with 5-HTP, make sure you consult your practitioner, because you should never just randomly supplement with it. Always have the guidance of either a physician or another functional practitioner. But that's a great option in some cases when they're recommended. Another one is, it's also an amino acid. It's called Ltheanine, which is found in teas like green tea, for example. So it's an amino acid, and it has calming effects on the body without making you drowsy. So it's great. It can be taken during the day, not just at night. Another amino acid called Gaba, or gamma aminobutyric acid. It's an inhibitory amino acid, which means it calms the nervous system down. So that's another option that you can experiment with. There's quite a few amino acids I'm talking about here. Another one is glycine, which I've talked about before. Glycine is another inhibitory amino acid and neurotransmitter, so it has a calming effect on the body. So you can try a couple of grams of that before bed or near bedtime. Taurine, another amino acid-like compound that you can get in powder form. It's another inhibitory and also antioxidant type compound that has many benefits in the body, so you can experiment with that. Of course, I should underline, really talk to a practitioner about what to do in your particular case. They will probably take some test results into consideration. You don't just want to randomly supplement nutrients. In some cases, melatonin is okay, but it's more of a crutch. It's more of a short-term solution. You definitely want to, over time, figure out what contributes to poor sleep, if anything, in your child, and address that. So these, they can be used to support sleep, but try to find out why, if your child is not having the restorative sleep, why it's happening. Other nutrients that can help are calcium, magnesium, and zinc. So these minerals are also, they're calming, have a calming effect on the nervous system. So they're good to take to help. They're basically sedative type minerals. Vitamin B6 can also help because it's used in the production of melatonin, serotonin, and it has a lot of other functions in the body. Some of them are related to the inhibitory side of the nervous system. And then Epsom salt baths a couple of times a week. They also have a relaxing effect on the body. The Epsom salts have magnesium in them. Again, it's a sedative mineral, so it can really help as well. So that's a quick little discussion on supplements that you can use to help your child have more restorative sleep. I hope you found this episode helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.